Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Woowind LP1 tire inflator, and it's a mini bike pump. It's a portable air compressor for our car, for our bicycle, for our electronic bicycle, e-bikes, for our scooter, for so many different devices which are using tires, for example, with a valve. And balls, sport balls, are possible to inflate too. 150 psi are possible with automatic shut-off function with Presta and Schrader valve adapter. Of course, you can buy more adapters to gain more types of valves you can deliver with air. But I think here in the box for Schrader and Presta and French valve, this is enough for me to use such a inflate bumping machine. The LP1 and the battery-powered air compressor can inflate tires of cars, bicycles in a few minutes without a hassle. The LP1 air pump quickly fills up a car tire from 28 psi to 34 psi in only 1 minute. Not only a tire pump, but an electric bike pump too, with Presta and Schrader valves and a pressure gauge for inflating our bicycles tires easily. Because with the adapter devices, we can attach that to the valve on our bicycle, for example, or on a car, and then we can attach the pump itself, and then we switch to the inflatable pressure we like to use, and then we push the start button, and after a couple of seconds or minutes or a couple of moments, the inflated status is reached, it will shut off automatically the inflation process. After this, we can remove everything and we can go back on the street again. Oh yeah, because it comes with an automatic shut-off function. When the target pressure is reached with the pressure, it will switch off automatically. It comes for night operation with a flashlight too. We can enable and disable this feature, and we can make a inflate maintenance mobile where you like, on vacation, on the trip, in the nature, or as you like, where you like. And at the night, because you have a flashlight. Oh yeah. Oh, that's cool. No more worries of over-inflating because of the automatic shutdown function, and no worries about darkness because the flashlight is included. We got the mini bike pump, a flexible hose, a Presta and a Schrader valve adapter, and a swimming ring nozzle, a ball needle to inflate balls too, sport balls, basketballs, and so on, a storage bag, and a USB charging cable. This USB charging cable we can use on every USB source, like your laptop, like your personal computer, power bank, and so many more. So you can see you can repower this device so easily. Woowind, keep calm and Woowind on means the founders of the Woowind are husbands and daddies who love spending time on camping, cycling, and basketball, soccer, and so on with the families and friends. On the weekend, they design multifunctional portable air pumps to inflate these items automatically. No more hassle, no sweat. We keep calm and we Woowind on. That's right, because it is really easy to use that. It is cordless. It comes with 4000 mAh battery with a built-in air hose. That's a cool feature. We have up to 150 psi maximum pressure. Awesome. We can use the 5 preset modes for cars, the range will go from 1 up to 45 psi. Motorcycle from 1 up to 50 psi. For bike, 1 to 120 psi. For ball, 1 to 12 psi. And of course, we have a manual mode too, 1 up to 150 psi. That's what we can choose. We choose the pressure by using the right or the plus and the minus button, right and left, to choose that. If we start the inflation, it comes with the big button in the center. Only push it for 1 second and it will start. To go between the different types of pressure, like bar, psi, and so on, you push the upper button, and the bottom button you can use for the preset modes. We have an LED flashlight in it. We have a built-in air hose, smart built-in air hose, to start easy and pull the hose out of the pump when we are going to use it. We have 5 modes and a maximum of 150 psi. For example, the bike mode default is 45 psi, and we can adjust it more. The ball mode is do 48 psi, and we can make more. The motorcycle comes with default 35 psi, but we can choose more. The car is the same. It comes with 36 psi, and it comes, or we can use it more as we like. The ball mode is 8 psi. I think 8 is a little bit too much, but maybe you have a basketball, there you will need 8 psi. We pull the air hose out of the pump, then we press the M button to choose the preset mode. Then we connect them, the valve and the device, and we wait for the inflation till the preset value is done. And then after this, it will switches off automatically. The dimensions are 3.86 to 2.6 to 7.05 inches. It comes with a item wide. It's only 610 grams. The maximum power 35 watt. The capacity is 0.61 kilograms. The color is black. The noise level is 92 decibel, and the voltage is 12. So it's really cool to inflate your tires from your car, from bicycle, and so on with the Woowind LP1 tire inflator. And of course, it's a mini bike pump because it's so portable and easy to use, and it makes a really good job because it does not need your hand to inflate your tires anymore, or you do not have to pay on the gas station anymore for air. That brings you the Woowind LP1 tire inflator. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.